In this week's message, our conference planning meeting, the maintenance workshop, and our annual service project. Join us, won't you? Hello everyone, this is your IBTTA weekly update for Friday, June 28th, 2019. I'm Pat Jones. Last Saturday, we held our annual conference planning meeting to begin shaping the contours of all our meetings in 2020. Nearly 30 member volunteers participated in the event at the Hilton Norfolk, the Main, in Norfolk, Virginia. On Monday and Tuesday, nearly 200 delegates participated in our annual Maintenance and Roadway Operations Workshop in Norfolk, Virginia. The delegates enjoyed outstanding educational sessions, including welcoming remarks from Norfolk Mayor Kenneth Alexander and speeches by Virginia Transportation Commissioner Stephen Britch and Finance Secretary Aubrey Lane. Some of our delegates also participated in a technical tour organized by our co-chief meeting organizers and hosts, Jeff Holland of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge and Tunnel District and David Caudill of the Virginia Department of Transportation. Thanks to everyone who made our meeting and technical tour a success. One of the highlights of our maintenance workshop is our annual service project. This year we teamed up with Habitat for Humanity South Hampton Roads and worked on several projects at their Restore facility. Here's Habitat Executive Director Frank Hruska with more.
Habitat does a wonderful job building homes for people, but at the end of the day, like most homeowners, we get back, we're too tired, and I hate to say we somewhat neglected our building. So when the opportunity came up for IBTTA to come and do a service project, we identified a couple of things that your members did for us. One, we had our side parking lot repaved. We replaced the fence around our building. This kept our building safe. We are prone to being broken into here, believe it or not. We also built a handicap ramp. Some of our homeowners are disabled, so having a handicap ramp was a big assist. The other thing that your members did for us was we went into our Restore. It was nothing more than a thrift store. And we don't have the volunteers or the time sometimes to clean out the dead inventory. And your members spent 6 hours going through our merchandise and taking old stuff and more or less got rid of it. So we cleaned the store up to make it look nicer and a better shopping experience. And the back of our building became somewhat of a junkyard. We actually called it the graveyard. And your members removed all that trash and actually filled 240 cubic feet dumpsters of broken material and the stuff that we discarded. So it made the building look nicer, improve our appearance in the neighborhood, and for that we thank you. I'd like to personally thank IBTTA for their dedication to Habitat. It takes community to improve a community. We all have a role to do. We all have a responsibility to do what we can to improve our own neighborhoods. If we don't take care of our neighborhoods, who will? From me, from my board, and from my homeowners, thank you.
Thanks to Frank Hruska and the entire Habitat team for making this service project possible. And thanks to the volunteers and sponsors for contributing sweat and money to make the service project a success. Well, that's our wrap up for this week. Thanks for joining us. Keep in touch, and we'll see you down the road.